Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today we are making soft, fluffy homemade bread buns. Easy to make and perfect every time. Let's get started. In a stand mixer, add 2 tablespoons yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 cup warm water. Mix gently, cover and let it sit for 10 minutes. Add 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg and a 1/4 cup olive oil. Knead until you get a smooth, non-sticky dough. Cover the dough and let it rise for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a bun. Place the buns on a parchment-lined baking tray. Brush the tops with egg wash. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Let them cool slightly. Then enjoy these soft, fluffy homemade bread buns. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy recipes from Heaven's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.